Unlock your investment potential, from beginner to pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unlocking your investment potential. Whether you are just starting on your investment journey or a professional trader, this video is for you. Are you ready to transform your financial future? Discover the path from novice to expert investor, mastering market trends and building a portfolio that works for you. Let's dive in. For new investors, experienced traders, finance students, retirees, and young professionals alike, understanding the basics is crucial. What exactly are stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds? Each serves a unique purpose in your investment strategy. Delve into the world of market sectors. Knowing which industries are thriving and which are struggling can give you a significant edge. This knowledge is the bedrock of informed investment decisions. Economic indicators like GDP, inflation, and unemployment rates are your market compass. Learn how these factors influence market behavior and anticipate potential shifts. This understanding is key to navigating economic tides. Familiarize yourself with market cycles: expansion, peak, contraction, and trough. Recognizing these patterns allows you to strategically position your investments for optimal returns. Timing is everything in the market. Honestly assess your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-reward opportunities, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Your risk profile dictates your investment choices. Define your investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, or another specific objective? Your goals will shape your investment strategy and keep you focused. Technical analysis involves reading charts and identifying patterns in price movements. Master indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to predict market trends. This skill is invaluable for short-term trading. Fundamental analysis focuses on evaluating companies' financial statements. Assess balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to determine intrinsic value. This is essential for long-term investing. Develop the ability to identify market trends, both short-term and long-term. Is the market in an uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways? Trend identification is the cornerstone of successful trading. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. Diversification mitigates risk and enhances potential returns. Explore various investment strategies like value investing, growth investing, momentum investing, and dividend investing. Each strategy has its own merits and suits different investment styles. Stay informed about market news and events. Read financial publications, follow reputable analysts, and monitor market trends. Knowledge is power in the investment world. Delve deeper into advanced charting techniques, Elliott wave theory, and Fibonacci analysis. These tools provide a more nuanced understanding of market dynamics. Develop a strong understanding of macroeconomic factors and their impact on the market. Macroeconomic analysis is crucial for making informed investment decisions in the long run. Implement sophisticated risk management techniques such as stop-loss orders, hedging strategies, and position sizing. Protecting your capital is as important as generating returns. Be prepared to adapt your strategies as market conditions change. The market is constantly evolving, so flexibility is key to long-term success. Adaptability is the hallmark of a seasoned investor. Never stop learning. Attend seminars, read books, and take courses to stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Master your emotions. Don't let fear or greed drive your investment decisions. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive trades. Emotional control is paramount for consistent performance. Test your strategies using historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. Backtesting provides valuable insights and helps refine your approach. Connect with other professional investors and share ideas. Networking can provide new perspectives and opportunities. Collaboration is key to growth. Focus on identifying the direction of the trend and trade accordingly. Trend trading is a powerful strategy for capturing market momentum. Use multiple time frames, weekly, daily, hourly, to confirm trends. Multi-time frame analysis provides a more comprehensive view of market dynamics. Understand how overall investor attitude impacts trends. Market sentiment can significantly influence price movements. Use smart money concepts, SMC, for a nuanced understanding of market structure. SMC provides insights into institutional trading activity. Consider market-linked investments, MLIs, for diversification, but understand the risks. MLIs can offer unique opportunities but require careful evaluation. Focus on asset allocation and risk reduction. AIS is a cornerstone of long-term investment success. You can begin investing with any amount of money. Starting small allows you to learn without significant risk. Ignore unreliable sources. Focus on reputable financial publications and analysts. Invest for the long term. Patience is key to building wealth. Choose investments with low fees. Fees can erode your returns over time. Pay off debts and save an emergency fund before investing. A solid financial foundation is essential. Consider consulting a fee-only financial advisor. Professional guidance can be invaluable. By following these steps and continuously learning, you can increase your investment knowledge and skills and work towards becoming a successful and confident investor. Share this video with your friends and family to empower them with the knowledge they need to make informed financial decisions. Don't wait. Start building your financial future today.